Hello, beautiful souls. It's Nicole Gibbs here, guiding our awakening mass meditations for this month. This is our April 11th mass meditation, and we have mass meditations on the 11th of every month, including spontaneous meditations throughout the month as well. The topic for today's meditation will be relating to our soul bodies as soul facets and how we merge and collect and understand those facets to become whole in oneness. So to begin this meditation, I'm going to first set the space where we're going to come into our breath first and just realize the breath that is breathing. If it feels comfortable to place your hand on your heart and feel your heart pulsing. It is that pulse that the heartbeat is beating. Those nodes with those electrical pulse coming from the heart. That spark of light with each pulse. That spark is where we are truly originating from. That is source. That is home. So we're going to envision this spark of light within and all around us as we envision our bodies slowly disappearing and turning more into this bright spark light, radiating continuously, infinitely. Let's breathe in a little bit more air into our light body vessels. Breathe in and breathe out. Let the day's stress and thoughts and chatter in the mind just disappear as we breathe in a few more times here. Take a deep breath in. And envision the bright spark of light as we breathe out, blowing it up bigger and bigger up around us, turning our spark of light into our aura body now, where we are just simply an orb of light. We'll breathe in again this bright light and breathe out. As we envision ourselves now as the source light that we truly are, where all intelligence resides, for light is all knowledge and all intelligence, all experiences that have been accumulated, have been stored into this light intelligence, where we can tap into that infinite knowledge whenever we feel the need. We just need to come into this space where we raise our frequency to come into this high frequency intelligence where we match and meet that energy, so we may absorb those codes into our DNA. How amazing it is to be so connected to all things, for all things are connected. I am connected to you, and you are connected to me, for we are source consciousness. For all of us are expressions of the whole. Each of us, souls, are here as learners and teachers to experience and learn and grow and gain knowledge as much as we can. Whatever that may look like, whatever polarity that may hold, it is truth and right for you. When you are in your truth and you are authentic, everything falls into its place naturally and organically. There are so many distractions around us these days that are trying to get us to be the same, in the same box, but that is farther from the truth. We are all individual expressions, free to be creative and create however we may, for we are source. We are creators. We are gods, and we have all the knowledge within. We remember this knowledge when we come into this high vibrational state. Sometimes in this journey that we have chosen, this dense earthly plane, when it is dense, it is slower, it is heavier, where we feel everything. Everything has a feeling, which in turn can be our compass to guide us. What are those feelings guiding you? What are those messages coming in to allow you to be your authentic, true expression of the whole? Be unique. Be so authentic. Build each other up in their authenticity and their creativity. Let others' uniqueness shine, for that is the journey. The journey can be dense, and we can forget our true purpose here, for those feelings can get overwhelming at times. But we must remember this is just one sole facet of the entire whole. With this facet, please visualize a beautiful crystalline diamond where it has many, many, many individual facets or faces that make up the whole crystalline diamond. Each of those facets is a soul aspect of our true oversoul, our one soul. And sometimes in this dense incarnation, we forget that we are multidimensionally faceted with many soul aspects and think we are just one single thing. That is so far from the truth. We are all these facets, many aspects that we have the joy and journey to discover about ourselves and ourselves, our souls. Let your passions shine, whatever that may be. Perhaps you don't even know what your passion may be now, and that is okay. When you are coming from the heart and authentic, when you allow your awareness to be all that there is and just be in the moment, those truths and your passions will align naturally and organically. You will feel joy and bliss, and it will feel like no energy was taken at that time, for it fills you up. Take time to be in those moments, for those are your true soul aspects that you are collecting and gathering and discovering and merging. The more we collect and merge and gather, the more whole we become. The more whole we return to our oneness state consciousness. Thank you for your journey and your experiences, for they matter so much for the greater whole that we are. Do not get lost in the illusions of this dense incarnation where we become fragmented in these soul facets that we are. We are not fragmented. We are whole. We are oneness, and we are merged unity, collective consciousness, and we understand this. It is remembered, and it is in our DNA and activated now. We are this whole crystalline diamond formation with many, many facets, multidimensional souls we are. We have the ability to travel in our astral bodies wherever and whenever we please. We must be high vibrational in order to accomplish that state. So it is very important to raise our vibrations and stay high vibrational. When we raise the frequencies and our vibrational state heightens and becomes faster, buzzing faster, vibrating faster, becomes lighter, we are more of our light bodies and more of the intelligence of the oneness. That is the goal. That is the mission. To gather information and return infinitely. Remember your true form, the crystalline, diamond light, multifaceted, whole and connected. For we are oneness. We are separate but one at the same time, having separate experiences, yet go into the greater whole as one, the memory bank that we can tap into. Our high vibrational bodies are important. There are ways to keep our vibrational bodies at this higher frequency, and there are some that we are very obvious and know about. Some are becoming very obvious in our New Earth 5D communities, and it is very important to align with these frequencies so that our light soul body vessels can take activation and go multidimensionally whenever and wherever. These things may involve eating a less dense diet, for that reflects the light body vessel that we are. All the chemicals that have been inundated. Be aware of what is going into your light body vessel, your Merkaba light body, that can be activated at any time when it is in this high vibrational crystalline state. Remember the crystalline diamond of multifacets that we are, your true source. Remember, remember, remember. Now we're going to come back into our spark of light heart, where we are truly authentic and coming from peace, unconditional love, and gratitude for all is oneness, and of so importance to have the unique creative expression journeys that you have. Be as unique as possible. Find your passions. Let it radiate and shine, because you will feel that within. It will be undeniable when you are aligned with those passions. And we're going to take a few breaths here again as we come into our physical bodies, that we have the beautiful opportunity to carry out these creations, even though it is dense here in this earthly plane. It is a blessing to be here in this dense plane, for we allow our energy bodies to bring our creations into the physical, where we can touch and feel and have these expressions allowed in this experience. What a beautiful opportunity to be creators. Let the creations be as wild as they may be. Dream as big as you can. Tap into your inner child, your innocence, and be free. for that is the truth. We're going to take a deep breath in and exhale. Take one more deep breath and exhale. Thank you so much for joining the collective and merging our collective consciousness, raising our vibrations globally, galactically. Thank you, and we will connect again. I love you, and goodbye for now.